What's up, YouTube, man? My bad. I've been busy all day. Not even a lot of not even a lot of y'all watch me too much, so I guess right now it don't matter. But my bad about not coming out, dropping something for y'all. Couple people that are subscribed to me and that have liked my video. Very sorry about that. They ended up calling me to go to work. I came home. They wanted me to do stuff around here, and so yeah, I was looking at the weekly show and one of my cousins that had came over about crypto. I'm literally the only one that fucking invests and that knows about fucking crypto in my family. So they always wonder what I'm doing whenever they come over and they look at my charts. I was looking at it earlier. It was coming down. And so yeah, look, we're coming to that -1 right there on that daily. I think that's a possible bottom. We come under that, we come in. If we do come under that, I say that we don't come under here. I don't remember exactly what I was talking about yesterday. Guess I could go back and watch my video. Let's see. I like to see what we're doing today. These points. So as long as we don't come back down to this 6-6 right here, it's the 618, we're good. We're good to go. We come all the way to right here, and that's probably where it would bounce at if we were to keep coming down. But I feel like possibly this is the bottom right here, and we're gonna keep going up. Why? Because I feel like that was the bottom, and this is just scaring people that it came under here. So it's like, oh, all them shorts that got all them leverage positions that got closed. Boom, made it come down to here, and then all the extra people when they seen it drop below here, that's when that extra little wick came in. That's what made it drop under the 618. And look at that perfect touch over here to this right there. Boom. Look at that. That would have been a good spot. You could try to buy it there, like place that where it double touches, triple touches. You could even try it right here. As you can see, that line right there levels up with the -618. Another spot of it was to come down again. Let's say, I would say right there, or yep, right there. Not coming to touch this. It wouldn't touch that, and we would be okay. So it could actually come all the way down to 37,000, 38,000, and we'd be fine in a bull market. Still in a bull trend. But I feel like coming up. Let's see. Let me do this chart real quick for y'all. So y'all get out of here. Hourly. See what happens. See. Let's do a new. Let me delete some of this. Bada bing. Bada boom. Let's leave that there. Bada bang. Get that out of my way. This right here. Let's come right here. See what's gonna stop it from going up. I use these as my. I say these are what's stopping it from going up, but it could be also what holds it. Yeah. So look at that. Boom, it's fighting that 380. It tried to fight it. See, it came above it an hour ago, but it came back down and it didn't get it. And it came down. I don't know what happened for, let's see. It opened at 45.2. Oh, it opened on the bottom. And then it came down, touched that 263, then came up and touched that, then it closed right here, positive. Boom, came up here. And now let's see, we got 40 minutes. If you want, we could even go down right here to this 15-minute chart. See right here, because if it breaks this, it's gonna go up to that 0.5. Yeah, we going up to that 0.5. See it bounced in between there. 31382. Yeah, I feel like it'll come up. Yeah, if it holds that 0.5 and breaks that 0.5 and breaks that 50 EMA, we'll be coming back to 48,000. And see what happens right here in this area, 47.8. We'll see what happens with that 200 EMA. Remember, contracts, I thought they were tomorrow. They're Sunday, I guess. Saturday, Sunday, whatever. I seen Voyager is gonna be closed on. They're not gonna be selling ADA, or not. They're not gonna be transferring ADA on the 12th because of the setup shit they're doing. So I feel like that's when we're gonna hit that 200 EMA whenever they do them contracts for everything, and everything's just gonna take off. I just, just not necessarily just the contracts. Cardano might take off more than the others, but it's just the positivity that gives the market. What to look forward to with all these other companies, what they're gonna start planning on doing, how's it going, what's next. And everybody's gonna want to get in before they find out what's next. And they all seen what just happened with these leverage. So people might not try to leverage this time. They might be like, man, let me just put my money in there and just hold it. I trade options and stocks, and I just put my money into crypto and just let it run and let it sit there because crypto is too volatile to be taken in and out. Sometimes I got a little Bybit account that I play with here and there. Not saying I make money on it, but because sometimes I do stupid stuff like 100x, 50x sometimes. I'm not always right. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm wrong. But take profits when you see profits, and when you got enough profits, take it out and put it in your account. Go put it in a long term, put it in a holding, stake it or something. Whenever you gamble and play with it and do make some money. Just little advice right there. Yeah, that's my what I think over here on it. So look at this 5-minute chart. It's closing above it. It's closing above it more than it did below. Look at that. Above, below, above, below, above, below. All right, let's get that fake out and let's go back up, baby. But it might come back down here to touch that 50 EMA one time before going back up. And if not, right here would be the next stop, that 236. Come back down to test that one more time. Hopefully not. And we don't come under that 50 EMA. Because if we do, then you could look back to another bottom right here. And if that don't hold, then you could look for more downward pressure to go test it more to the bottom to scare some people. Yeah, you can see we got a line. Do this line right here for that. See what's going on. See what's going on. Put that in there, something like that. Touch, 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 touch. Go on the top. You did this from a longer time frame. I'll do another video in a little bit. But I want to say right there. Come up. See? Yeah, I want to say right there. Touch those two marks right there. And it looks like it's trying to, oh man, don't come below it while I'm talking about it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that might be a bad sign right there. So yeah, watch out, y'all. Go look at the charts, see what's up, check it out. I'll update this one in about 30 minutes, about an hour.